What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick how to assemble mini dumpster video like the one I have back there. Now if you haven't checked out the first video where I reviewed the product, feel free to check it out, but I assembled it the wrong way. So I'm actually going to do a video assembling the correct way so that way everyone's informed. Without further ado, let's get into this assembly. Now when you open your dumpster, you realize you have this very long rod with a screw in at the end, and this is in charge of holding the lids together. Then you're gonna have both of your hinges, which is the part that I did wrong. So actually when you put this together, you want to make sure that they are sticking out of the dumpster and not sticking in, which is what I did. I actually put them like this. As you can see, they were towards the inside of the dumpster. So you actually need to put them like this towards the outside of the dumpster. And then you have your lids, which as I mentioned in the review, you can get in different colors. So let's put this together really quick. So you want to put both screws in, just get them in the hole, and you could just tighten them up. All right, and then let's do the same for the second one. So once they're both in and tight, this is what you want your dumpster to look like. When you insert the rod, just be careful here. You can just scratch the paint with those edges. So even though it's a very heavy coat, so as you're putting the rod in, you want to start sliding in your lids and then the second lid. And as you can see on the review video, the mistake I made was actually, since they were facing inwards, there was a gap here and the lids wouldn't completely seal the dumpster, which is not how it should look. Alright, so once you're done with this, and you can actually like hand tighten all of this, you can use tools if you want to. So once you tighten this up, make sure that the rod here is facing downwards. I guess it just looks better. And then you can open your lids and you can install these super high quality wheels like I said in the review, and they're just so nice. I would put these on my chair. And to install these, it's fairly simple. So you just put it in the bottom and then you screw it in right here on top. And once you're done putting those wheels in, this is how the inside looks, and this is how you want the bottom of it to look. And then you're all done. Close your lids and your dumpster is ready to roll. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that assembly video for the mini dumpster. Definitely check out the full review for more information and see how you can get art done on your dumpster. They look very, very cool. I just wanted to make sure to correct this for anyone who purchased this, to make sure you assemble it well. So with that being said, thank you all for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And remember people, be kind to one another.